Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we're gonna learn about how to install Mysql Workbench properly in your Windows 10 or 11 system. So at first, open your browser and write the name of the software, that is Mysql Workbench, and search it in the internet. And it will give you the result in the home screen. So you will be getting the options, and right here, click on the first link, that is download Mysql Workbench. Now once you click there, you will be redirected to the official web page. In this web page there will be multiple options. You don't have to do anything, just click on the go to download page option, that is blue color highlighted option right here. Okay, just this option. And here you will be getting two options. You can check for operating system and you can download for the 431 MB, that is the second option. You have to just download this one, the second option. Okay, just click here and your download will start right now. It will take some time based on your internet speed, and once the download is completed, you can actually go ahead and you can install the file. So here you can see in my system it is getting download, and after downloading I have just skipped the part. It will open the terminal where you can actually install it. So before moving forward, you can check for the environment, that whether it is installed or not. If the specifications are satisfied, like the Python is installed, the proper version is Python is installed, you can follow the steps. Like you can click here in the custom, then you can MySQL connection, then you can click on the connector Python option, and you can click on the Python 8.0 version. If this option is enabled, then only you can actually do it. You can actually enable it or you can install it. Now you don't have to do anything, just go back and open the developers default option and click next, right? So then also click next, and you just have to follow the steps. Now it is very much easy, it will be very much easier for you. So right here you have to click for one more product and just simply press on execute. Okay, so it will take some time. It will take few minutes to execute based on the CPU performance, RAM, and your processor's speed. It will execute all the files that are there. Okay, so you can see all the files are getting executed, and one by one all the files will be executed. You have to keep patience, and after that, when the files is executed, you can click on the next. So you just have to do next and next. One more thing I would like to request you all right now, while it is getting done, guys, you have to remember the password. That is the most important thing, right? And definitely there will be some pop-up. I'm not able to record the pop-up, so the pop-up will be there, and once you click on next, you will be redirected to this page. Right here you have to write your password, and do write down your password somewhere else in any copy, any paper, using your pen. So do not forget this password, because you will be needing this password if you want to connect your VS Code or any other IDE or Python with your, especially with this MySQL Workbench. Okay, then definitely follow the steps next, and you can actually proceed using the steps only. Just click on next, follow the steps that I am showing here. Once you execute the steps, it will take very few minutes, and not even a single minute, and it will be there. So you can click on finish, and then again you can click on next, and it will open the after a few steps you can check your connection, that whether it is correct or not. You can write down your password here, and you can check if the connection established or connection succeeded, green signal is there, it means it is properly like you are able to do it. Then you can click on execute, and after that you can move forward. Now once you move forward and you can finish it, it will open the MySQL shell in front of you. Just you would go ahead and you can click on the finish. So then the MySQL shell will be opened in front of you. You don't have to do anything in this shell actually. You have to open MySQL Workbench. So this is here, you have to double click on this local instance. Right here the username is root. You can clearly notice your host is localhost and port number is 3306. You can click it here, and once you will click, it will ask for your password. Now enter your password and save your password in vault. Just click on the checkbox, so it will not ask for the password again and again. Now it will look something like this. Here you can write your code, and once you are done with installation, you can check whether it is installed properly or not. So for that purpose, you can just write a simple MySQL query, that is show databases. So this show databases, it will just do it will just give you all the databases that are present. So if you are installing it for the first time, it will give you very few databases, all 5 to 6 databases are there. And like if you have other databases in your system, so it will definitely give you. So yeah, that's it. And if the green signal is there in the output section, in the down below, you can see the green signal is there. It is signifying that the SQL is installed successfully. Thank you everyone.